Let me introduce myself. My name is Nia Pratiwi. I'm from the Department Economic Education, Faculty Economics at Jakarta State University. Here I will explain the material of model auxiliary and article sentence in the English course with lecture Yeti Lestuti, SPD MSA. Happy watching! Enjoy! Firstly, I will explain the model auxiliary material starting from the definition, the function, and also the type of model auxiliary. Definition of model auxiliary. Model auxiliary are verbs used to show attitude to word and action or situation that are placed before the main verb and used to change the meaning of the main verb. Modal auxiliaries can help you to express possibility, ability, necessity, request, suggestion, plan, order, and others in a sentence. In this case, modal auxiliaries have two types, which are modal present and modal past. Function of modal auxiliary. 1. To present of willingness of a person. 2. To indicate a possibility. 3. To expression a person ability. 4. To express a necessity. 5. To reveal someone's attitude towards something. 6. To exhibit a preference. 7. To give advice to others. 8. To ask others for a favor. Type of modal auxiliary. Main modal, modal present, can, may, muse, shall, will. Modal past, could, might, had to, shall, would. Similar expression of modal. Be able to, be going to, be allowed to, have, or has to. Saya akan kasih tahu ini digunainnya pas kapan. Misalnya, example, can. Example, ability, possibility, ask for permission. May, possibility, suggestion, asking for permission. Muse, amuse, a provision, certain. Shall, over, suggestion, prediction, and desire. Will, willingness, prediction, request. Will, prediction, request, will. Call, ability, possibility, request, permission. Might, over, ask for permission, shall, suggestion, state about what is best to do. Had to, amuse. Nah, formula modal auxiliary. Positif ada subjek plus modal auxiliary plus verb 1 plus complete. Negatif, subjek plus modal auxiliary plus not plus verb 1 plus complete. Interrogatif, modal auxiliary plus subject plus verb 1 plus complete and interrogative. Modal present, kalimat positif, negatif, interrogatif itu example kayak gimana sih? Nah, kita menggunakan modal auxiliary kalimat katanya itu pakai muse. Contoh example-nya, I must see the new movie at the cinema. I itu sebagai subjek, muse itu modal auxiliary, C itu verb one, the new movie at the cinema itu sebagai complete-nya atau kalimat pelengkapnya. Nah, kata itu kita jadi ubah ke kalimat negatif. Jadi, I must not see the new movie at the cinema. Jadi katanya kalimatnya tinggal ditambahin not. Jadi kayak I itu sebagai subjek, muse itu modal auxiliary, ditambahin not sebelum verb one. Jadi I must not see the new movie at the cinema. Nah sekarang example dari kalimat interrogatif, yaitu must I see the new movie at the cinema. Nah jadi modal auxiliary-nya itu kita kedepanin, terus baru subjek, baru verb one, baru complete, baru tanda tanda interrogatifnya. Nah sekarang kita lanjut ke modal auxiliary past atau modal past-nya. Itu contoh example-nya dari menggunakan kata call. Jadi kalimat positifnya dulu ya. Layla could speak Mandarin when she was a kid. Nah, itu Layla sebagai subjek, could itu sebagai main modal auxiliary-nya past. Speak itu sebagai verb one, Mandarin when she was a kid itu sebagai complete-nya. Nah, kalimat yang tadi kita ubah ke kalimat negatif. Jadi, gini katanya. Layla could not speak Mandarin when she was a kid. Jadi sama kayak yang contoh sebelumnya yang di present, tinggal ditambahin not aja setelah modal auxiliary-nya. Selebihnya verb one sama complete. Nah yang di kalimat interrogatifnya juga sama seperti yang di modal present tadi. Jadi could Layla speak Mandarin when she was a kid? Nah sudah jelas teman-teman? Sekarang kita masuk ke example similar expression of modal. Kita masuk ke example able to. Then able to can be used to express abilities and possibilities in the present, past, and future. Example simple present tense. I am able to speak English fluently. Example simple past tense. We were able to attend the meeting yesterday. Example simple future tense. She will be able to join us for dinner tonight. Kita lanjut ke example similar expression of modal yang selanjutnya, yaitu going to and allowed to. Example going to. Going to is used to reveal pre-existing plans or intention, or to make prediction based on correct evidence. Example simple future tense. He is going to attend the party. He is not going to attend the party. Is he going to attend the party? Example, allowed to. Allowed to is used to allow or give an opportunity. Example, I am allowed to eat ice cream as much as I want. I am not allowed to eat ice cream as much I want. Itu contoh example yang kalimat negatif. Contoh example interrogative tense. Am I allowed to eat ice cream as much I want? Nah, lanjut kita ke example yang terakhir atau dari example dari similar expression of modal, yaitu have or has to. Have or has to is used to express necessity. Example, they have to complete the assessment before the deadline. He has to take a ride now. I have to wear my jacket every Wednesday. Second material, elliptical sentence. What is an elliptical sentence? Definition: elliptical sentence are sentences that omit certain element but can still be understood because the missing element are already known or can be inferred from the context of the previous sentence. This omission is usually done to avoid the repetition of unnecessary word of phrases and makes the sentence more concise. Function of elliptical sentence: 1. Avoiding repetition. 2. Efficiency and brevity. 3. Maintaining focus. For strengthening the quotient, affirmative sentence with to be for nominal. Ada dua formula. Yang pertama, affirmative sentence with to be and subject plus to be plus to. Formula yang kedua, affirmative sentence with to be plus and plus so plus to be plus subject. Example, Jenny is beautiful. Karina is beautiful. Answer with formula 1. Jenny is beautiful and Karina is too. Answer with formula 2. Jenny is beautiful and so is Karina. Affirmative sentence with auxiliary. Jadi kita contoh kalimatnya dari affirmative sentence with auxiliary. Sama kayak yang tadi, dia juga mempunyai dua formula. Formula 1, affirmative sentence with auxiliary plus and plus subject plus auxiliary plus 2. Formula 2, affirmative sentence with auxiliary and plus and plus so plus auxiliary plus subject. Example, Jamin has finished his task. Jeno has finished his task. Answer with formula 1. Jamin has finished his task and Jeno has too. Answer with formula 2. Jamin has finished his task and so has Jeno. Nah, kita lanjut ke contoh selanjutnya, yaitu affirmative sentence with verb expect to be atau verbal. Dia mempunyai dua formula juga seperti dua contoh yang sebelumnya, yaitu formula 1, affirmative sentence with verb expect to be plus am plus subject plus do or does or did plus 2. Formula 2, affirmative sentence with verb expect to be atau verbal plus am plus so plus do or does or did plus subject. Example, Iran speak English. Windy speak English. Answer with formula 1. Iran speak English and Wendy does too. Answer with formula 2. Iran speak English and so does Wendy. Nah, itu tadi kita contoh dalam kalimat yang positifnya. Sekarang kita masuk ke contoh kalimat yang negatif. Contoh negatif menggunakan either and neither. A negative sentence with to be, I am, is, are, was, were, for nominal mempunyai dua formula seperti yang kalimat positif tadi. Formula 1, negative sentence with to be plus and plus subject plus to be plus not plus either. Formula 2, negative sentence with to be plus and plus neither plus to be plus subject. Jadi kalau kalian gampangnya gini, kalau kalian gunain either, itu either-nya paling belakang, intinya gitu. Terus dia pakai not. Tapi kalau kalian menggunakan formula yang kedua pakai neither, itu kalian gak usah pakai not, tapi neither-nya itu di tengah-tengah gitu. Jadi kayak negative sentence with to be and neither plus to be plus subject. Jadi kayak contohnya gini, Jisoo is not teacher. Jenny is not teacher. Answer with formula 1, yaitu Jisoo is not teacher and Jenny is not either. Answer with formula 2, Jisoo is not a teacher and neither is Jenny. Jadi tuh kayak kalau di formula yang kedua itu dia harus pakai not. Kalau neither itu udah gabungan dari not sama either, jadi neither gitu. Kita masuk ke contrary. Formula dari contrary. Formula yang pertama itu ada positive sentence plus but plus negative sentence, yaitu formulanya subject plus be or auxiliary or modal or do or does or did plus not. Formula yang kedua, negative sentence plus but plus positive sentence, subject plus be or auxiliary or modal or do or does or did. Contoh kalimat dari contrary dari formula pertama yaitu positive sentence but negative sentence, yaitu contoh kalimat yang pertama, I wrote a letter yesterday. He didn't write a letter yesterday. Answernya, I wrote a letter yesterday but he didn't. Formula yang kedua, negative sentence but positive sentence. contoh kalimatnya, I am not good in math. She is good in math. Nah, soalnya I am not good in math, but she is. Jadi tuh kontrada itu jadi kayak kalimat yang positif sama negatif digabungin. Jadi kalimat yang tadi itu adalah contohnya. All my explanation of the material. Thank you for watching. I hope you can understand and learn. Have fun and enjoy. Bye bye.